finally arrived at the hotel 6 hours late due to a snowstorm that was shutting down the East Coast. I opened my bag after checking in and said, oh no. No shirt or tie. Where am I ever going to find a shirt and tie at 10 o'clock at night in Weehawken, New Jersey? My presentation is tomorrow at 8 a.m. Went downstairs to the front desk and said, where can I get a shirt and tie tonight? The clerk said, go up 3 blocks and over 2 blocks and catch the light rail to Newport Mall. It's open till 11 and you just might make it. I said to myself, I can do this. No cabs, 5 inches of snow, Florida clothes on my back. I'll be fine. I stepped outside, looked up the street, and forgot the directions. I said to myself, what did he say? Go 2 blocks up and 2 over. What was the name of that mall? I finally spotted the rails and followed them to the train stop. What was the name of that mall? Looks like a gang meeting just broke up. Maybe they know where the mall is. I was desperate. I asked the least scary one, do you know where the mall is? He said, you mean the Newport Mall? 4 more stops. That's our stop. We'll show you. I said to myself, hope they don't rob me. We walked into the mall. They headed for Macy's department store, men's department. Clothes were everywhere. It looked worse than my teenage son's room. I said to a clerk, did a bomb go off? He said, no, it's our before Christmas sale. I said, I need a shirt and tie. He picked a shirt off the floor in wrinkled and dirty. I said, this is dirty. He said, just use a lint brush on it. I said, do you have a lint brush? He said, no, man, why would I have a lint brush? The gang leader said, let's get out of here. We headed out the back of the store and I stopped and said, where are you taking me? He said, don't worry. I worked here as a buyer before I started my own line and bike shop. We walked into the Armani Exchange and he said, Leo, fix up my friend here. I won't be so quick to judge the next time.